So let's start with the next sauce, that's the wasabi cream. We all know wasabi is one of the most important ingredient. You cannot make wasabi at home. It's the most spiciest sauce in Japan, and this is the company what I'm using, Yokoso. So you get these tubes of wasabi, just use in very little quantity. So like just a 10 gram it's written, you can just reduce the quantity and use also. It's all approximately with your own taste. Very spicy, so remember this line of mine whenever you're doing this. And with this I'll be using Hellmann's mayonnaise. So I'm just adding some Hellmann mayonnaise to this, and we'll be adding some sour cream again. So along with this sour cream what I have here, I'm just going to add it. And this is your second element, wasabi cream. So wasabi is going to give you that sharpness, the flavor, spiciness, and sour cream is going to give you some sour taste, and mayonnaise for the texture. So nice mix, and this is ready to use. So this is your wasabi cream, mayonnaise, sour cream and wasabi paste.